Still in politics, the united opposition is keen on rallying the Mulembe Nation behind its move to unseat President William Ruto in the 2027 general election. Coming from the just concluded three-day tour of the region, the united opposition leaders stressed the need to sharpen its 2027 strategy with eyes on the prize. DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua held a joint interview with local journalists in Kitale, where he spoke on wide-ranging issues, including his impeachment and the search for a joint opposition candidate. Violet Auma with the details.
UDA!
For 3 days, leaders under the United Alternative Government traversed Vihiga, Kakamega, Bungoma and Trans Nzoia counties, taking their message of opposition unity to Western Kenya.
Huyu Wetangula na Musalia walishughulikia tumbo zao. Wakawacha nyinyi kwa mataa.
The tour targeted a vote-rich region that Gachagua says has for years been used as a voting bloc without receiving its rightful share in the national government. After the final rally, Gachagua sat down with local journalists in Kitale during an interview. Top on the agenda was his impeachment battle. He was asked about the 50 million shillings awarded to him by the court following his impeachment.
Mimi kunipatia milioni 50, mimi sina haja na pesa. Mimi nilikuwa napigania haki yangu ya kwamba mimi nilitolewa kimakosa kwa sababu ya msimamo mkali. Mimi sina haja na hiyo milioni 50, hata milioni 200, hata 3, mimi sina haja naye.
He is also adamant that he is not out of the presidential race just yet. He says the United Alternative Government will eventually settle on one presidential candidate to face President William Ruto.
Ukiangalia Weluke alikuwa amefungwa mwaka 74. Na hakukatazwa kusimama na amefungwa mpaka alikuwa Kamiti amenyolewa 74 years. Kama itakuwa imeisha by the time tunaenda uchaguzi, mimi nitapigania kiti ya urais kama mimi ndio nitapeperusha bendera.
Gachagua added that he is now retreating to Wamunyoro for 45 days for consultations. On Western Kenya politics, Gachagua urged Mulembe leaders to consolidate their votes and speak with one voice. He avoided promising the region position 1 or 2 in a future government, but said unity will strengthen its bargaining power.
Watakuja wa negotiate na wengine mambo yao, na wasikuwe kama Musalia na Wetangula kufuata mambo yao binafsi.
He said the government will prioritize the revival of Nzoia and Mumias sugar companies, return them to farmers, complete stalled projects and encourage crop diversification.
Munajua vile Mumias ikifanya kazi vile ile joto tulikuwa tunasikia hapa. Hapa Nzoia ameenda amepeana kwa Muhindi.
Tukishamuondoa tuko na mpango ya vile tutalegesha factory ya Nzoia na Mumias kwa wakulima ya Western Kenya. Tuko na mpango ya kukamilisha zile barabara ambazo zimekwama.
Violet Auma, KTN.
Now, Jubilee Party